Model, 61 plate Renault Trafic SL27dCi 115 Freeway factory crew cab timing chain. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 128723. MOT, the 30th of October 2024. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115 HPB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a rattle. Timing chain has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Sensor in coherence fault code confirms this grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Intermittently it won't start. If you unplug cam sensor it will start. We suspect it's jumped 1 or 2 teeth. Timing chain. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,